Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to remove the spots from the face in Adobe Photoshop because sometimes you feel so uncomfortable after watching a photo when you saw spots at your face. So don't worry. From today, no spots will remain at your face. So let's start. First of all, open your Adobe Photoshop, go to File, open your file, and take a photo from where you have to clear these spots. Okay, I have chosen a photo from internet and I will show you how to clear this face. Okay, first double click on this lock, unlock this picture, click on OK. Now drag this picture for copying this picture. Okay, drag it down and leave. Now you have two copies. If you have any problem during editing, then you have another copy to add this. Okay, now go to this tab and right click on it. Now you will choose spot healing brush tool. Click on spot healing brush tool and go to your picture. Now click on the spot. Oh, it's magic. Clear, 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 clear. Oh, she is also worried about where is her spot. Now take a look. Now spots. Where are the spots? Spots. Where are the spots? So it's too easy for you to remove spots from your pictures. So don't worry, Adobe Photoshop is the best Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop CS6 is the best Photoshop to remove spots from your face. So let's try and make your photo clean, make your face clean, and it's too easy for you. So don't forget to watch our next video and don't forget to subscribe our channel Video Mania, where you can get thousands of videos related to softwares, related to music, related to entertainment, related to education. So don't forget to watch and don't forget to subscribe our channel Video Money. Thank you. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.